Hey guys, Ken Chigba aka KenFX Freak back with another week roundup and look ahead to the key events. Now, starting off with last week, you can see with the dollar, we finished flat. We finished flat last couple of weeks, really. We've just been ranging, actually, if you look since the 18th of May. And I think everyone's just trying to suss out. Okay, look, one thing technically first, actually. We've been exhausted to the downside, right? It's very one-directional, so it's only right that we have this period of consolidation. Fundamentally, markets are just trying to suss out data points, economic developments around the US, and how that influenced the FOMC. Remember, we've been speaking about them dovish. In the last minutes, they were not so dovish. They spoke about tapering. So focus really is on data. So the next one will be the NFP this Friday. Remember last month was a disappointment, but then we've seen inflation readings creeping higher, which is good. That's something bullish for the Federal Reserve to see and dollar positive, but we need to see good labor market data. Okay, so if we can see an improvement this time around, we're going to break out of this range. Okay, I expect us to continue to range heading into that data, likely, because no one want to overcommit, and it's a bank holiday as well in the US and the UK on Monday. If that data is bad, then we continue to do it with this structure. Remember, rallies are being sold, we're printing lower, if you look on the weekly, we discussed this before, we're printing, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, and then obviously we're trying to print a new lower low if we can clear this area here around just above 89. Elsewhere, what else we're looking at for gold prices have been pushing nicely to the upside. We've been taking advantage of this within our community at freakfxtrading.com. Do not hesitate to check that out. Obviously, gold continues to be supported by the dovish FMC because they remain dovish right now. They haven't changed anything. Any dips that we continue to see continue to be bought. Keep an eye on that next area here. If we could take out 1912, these highs of the month, we're going to go and rally into 1940. There's a lot of freedom there, having sort of looked left at the chart there and conducted some analysis. GBP outperforms, the Bank of England are steps ahead of the FOMC. Members have actually been discussing rate hikes next year. The dips will continue to be bought here as well. Vaccination progress. If you look, we've just been ranging. I could mark this up within sort of one big sort of pennant structure here. Let me just shift that. Look, you could see, or one even just big sort of flag. See, and we've had that sort of breakout, and last week was the retest, and there's a lot of room. If we can clear this 42 area, there's a lot of room for us to run to the upside into 43. In terms of specific trade ideas, by the way, guys, and timely real-time analysis and fundamentals and technicals, check out freakfxtrading.com. By the way there, guys, just one last thing, a couple of things that I want to talk about. Got the RBA rate decision this week. Remember, in their last rate decision, they were very dovish. Hit AED. They said they're not going to hike they don't see a hike until 2024 because the data is not where it needs to be. Inflation and jobs data. Broken out of this pennant here, broken out of this flag. There's a lot of demand at 77s. If we can break 77s, we're going to drop down sub 7600, which is the next major demand, as you can see there looking left. Very lastly, US 30, been enjoying this rally to the upside as well. Took some nice points here. Some 300 points on this flag breakout. Watch a pull back in towards sort of 34,500, 400 area. Dips continue to be bought. Keep an eye on these highs of May. Okay, that'll be the next likely bull target. So do not hesitate, guys. Check out freakfxtrading.com for my community and webinars. And BluFX is an amazing solution. As I always say, it's going to help you become an all-rounded trader and nurture you correctly. Let's have an amazing week. Let's get it.